right above me. Do you know what? Before all this lot kicked off, I was going to go to bed. I didn't think we was going to get anything. That's the honest truth. Just spotted, I think that's the moon over there. A glimpse of the moon setting. It's either that or a UFO. Yeah, that orange tinge over there, that is the moon setting. If you're watching this stream at the moment, let me know where you are. Hello to you, the game and recorder. I think that was the name that came up on the screen there. The gamer and recorder. Hello to you. I don't know whereabout you are. I'm just having a look. Oh my word! I'm just having a look over there. The moon's actually setting over there. You can see the moon setting over that direction. Why am I up at 2:44? Well, I just like chasing storms. I didn't want to miss this one. I've been waiting for ages for a good storm like this. Sadly, I didn't get to see the storms that came across the UK yesterday, or was it the day before, on Monday, because I went in the wrong direction. We might not get another storm like this in the Worcestershire area for a while. That, believe it or not, is the moon. So I'm capturing the moon setting at the same time as a storm going over.